Hey guys, I'm Marty Geek. In this video, I have an unboxing and hands-on impressions of the Galaxy Watch 5. Now, keep in mind, I've been using this watch already for over a week already. I received this watch before I went to my vacations to Puerto Rico, and I just came back a couple days ago. So I decided to go ahead and put everything back in the box and show you guys what to expect when you get it from the mail, and also share with you guys my experience so far with the watch as well, and also other accessories that I got for purchasing the watch as well. Like, for example, I got the super fast wireless charger duo because I actually ordered the watch directly from Samsung. I paid for this, but this was actually a gift for buying this. So I think this is still available. If you get the watch, I think you get the charger. It's pretty cool because it's fast and you can charge your phone and the watch at the same time. I also got this two-tone sports band with a credit that I got. This was, I think it was $39.99, and it's pretty cool. Way better than the one that it comes with the body or the watch. And these two, I actually got them through Amazon, and I just received them after I came back like a day ago. And in this video, we're going to go ahead and try them out so you guys can see how it looks. And here it is. This is the Galaxy Watch 5 44mm version. There is a 40mm version, which is a little bit smaller, of course. For those asking, the CPU on this device is actually a Exynos W920 dual core. Here we got the cable that you use for charging, which, like I said, is going to be like a wireless charging little pad there. There's no brick whatsoever. Excuse me. And that's it. You got the watch right here. Look at that. Very nice looking. I always wanted this watch, especially when the Galaxy Watch 4 came out. This is basically almost the same body as the Galaxy Watch 4. The only big difference is that the screen is actually sapphire screen. It's supposed to be way more resistable to scratches because it's sapphire, of course. So that's one of the big differences between this watch and the Watch 4. When it comes to the storage of this device, let's go and turn it on so you guys can see the animation of it turning on. There you go. So when, of course, the screen is also always on AMOLED, 44mm version, like I said. In the inside, you're actually going to get a 1.5 gigabytes of RAM and 16 gigabytes of internal storage, which is pretty good for a damn watch. 16 gigabytes. The battery life that I've been getting with this is about 2 days of battery life. Like I said, I've been using it for over a week already. And the battery in this one is actually 410 milliamp battery. There you go. There you go. That's the clock or the face that I'm using right now. Very nice looking. And I believe that's the actual face that you get when you unbox it for the first time. This also has the rotary. So when you tap right here on the sides, I like that it has the rotation sense, and you can actually feel every time you're rotating, you can actually feel the vibration per tab that you're going through. That's something really cool there. This is how it looks when the menu right here, right? And when you go like this is notifications where you're going to get them at. Go like that. Of course, you can either slide this way like that, so you can go through the tiles that you have already set up. These are the tiles that I have set up, but you can go ahead and change them if you want to. When you slide up, that's when you're going to be able to access the applications. And so far, I haven't installed like extra applications. The only application that I actually installed was Spotify. Everything else, I've been using the applications that comes with the Samsung watch. And I'm going to take this out. They've been using Wear OS now, so they've been using Google Wear OS, and I believe we are on Wear OS 3.5, I think it is. So this belt goes like that, and this goes like that. Look at that. Awesome. And this is how it looks. Look at that. Very nice looking. Let's see if I can actually change the body now. Come on. There you go. This is another face that I've been using. I like this face because it actually has like a compass around the body. This red thing that you see right there is actually the battery life of your watch, which is awesome because it's very, very big, and you won't miss it. Right now, like see there, it went to off. That's the always on feature. So this is how it looks when you're not moving, or it doesn't detect motion. But when it detects motion, it goes, back to, boom, back to color. Very cool. I love it. I love it so far. Here is the charging pad that comes with it. Let me go and show you guys this right here. This, I don't know how much it is if you're gonna buy it, but right here is actually, it was included. It comes with the charging brick. Comes with of course, charging cable. Make sure you actually use that brick to charge the watch, because it does require a specific, it has to be let me see how many watts there is, but it has to comply with the watts necessary to actually make it charge correctly. Let's go and hook it up right here, because I already have this connected to the wall right there. Like, see, you barely see anything turn on. You see there's two lights right there. They will only blink once. Okay. Yep. Blink, blink, blink. Boom. Turn off. If they stay on like orange, that means that the connection is too weak. Okay, so make sure you actually connect it correctly. For example, if I put my cell phone there, it starts charging. If I put my watch there, it's cool because it also has like some magnetic. So when I put my watch, boom, it automatically attaches, or it brings in the watch. And I see there, it will save it right there. That's like a little, see? If you move it like this, and some magnet there that actually makes sure that the watch actually stays there steady charging. So it does have like some magnetic in it. And same thing here with the phone. It charges fast once you put it there in the middle. Very, very good. Very, very nice. I'm just going to show you guys the belt that I got over here. This is the two-tone band. Let's take this out. Okay, this is the belt. I like it because it's black and like little grayish, very light grayish, almost white. And of course, this uses 20mm bands. So if you're interested, of course, I'll leave links in my description for some of the bands that I did purchase. It comes with this click right here. Come on. There you go. There you have it. So look at that. Look how cool that actually looks. And you put it on. It's nice and flexible, a little bit more flexible than the one that actually comes with the body. I love it because of that. And of course, it also hooks up the same way as this one. It slides into the body right there in the bottom. But it feels way more flexible, the belt, and way more high quality than the one that actually comes with it. I love that it has like two-tone, black and white. The black belt, I think it actually looks cool. Very, very awesome. For those that like leather, I think this watch would look nice with leather because the silver coloring. And I'm going to put that to the side. And this is how the watch actually looks. Of course, this watch also has heart rate monitor, ECG, BIA, continuous SP02 or 02. Put that there. And that. That's a nice looking belt. This is 20mm, of course, and this is from the brand RITCHE from Amazon. Very popular brand when it comes to belts. And of course, it attaches the same way the other one does. And there you have it. Look at that. That looks really nice. I think it actually looks very nice with the leather look. That looks really, really cool when you put it on. Awesome. There you go. I think this belt actually went for $18, which is totally worth it because it's, you know, it's leather. All that. Nice. So that's how it looks with that one. And this one right here that I got, it's actually a black one because for me, you know, you need to have a black one as well. You can't just ride on with white all the time. So I got a very nice black one right here. Look at that. I love the diamond edges that it has. Look at that. And on the other side, it's actually silver or gray. It comes in different colors as well. Like in the inside, you could get it like in orange, blue, yellow, different colors. Same thing goes with the belt. You could get these belts in different colors as well. But I just decided to get silver so it can match the body. And it's also from the RITCHE brand as well. Same as this leather one because, like I said, they're very good. They're very known. And they do good quality belts. So that's why I stick with the same brand. Everything else is good. I can put that here. I think they should include another one. I don't know if it was a mistake or not, that's for sure. But there it is. This is how it looks with the black belt. Look at that. Awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. I think it looks great. You know, and get it back here. So, you know, I decided to go ahead and do this video because, you know, I do a lot of unboxing videos and hands-on gaming videos. And a lot of times, depending on the watch that I'm using, a lot of you guys will be asking, hey, what watch are you using today? Because I like to change it up once in a while. And so you know that right now, the watch that I'm going to be using is the Galaxy Watch 5 that just came out, I think, a couple of weeks ago. So there you have it, guys. This is how it looks. The Galaxy Watch 5. This is with the black belt. And so far, like I said, I've been enjoying it. I've been using it for over a week already. And I was in Puerto Rico. And I've been actually getting around 2 days of battery life. By the time, you know, I take it off the charger and by the time I go back to bed, even though, yes, it does have the sleep monitor option, I don't like to sleep with the watches. That's me. But yes, when I put it back in the charger at night, it's like at 50% or maybe 45% because, you know, during the day, I've been playing a lot. It's like a new toy. So I've been playing a lot with the watch, taking, you know, my tests more than normal, you know, doing, changing a lot of things more than normally. And, you know, testing a lot of the things that it has here, like the sleeping score, you know, ECG is really cool the way it works. So yeah, here we can do it. Let me see. Okay, put it here. I'll give a crazy score there because right now I'm doing this video, so on and so on. But you know, the score that's gonna be here most likely is gonna be high. But this is how you do the ECG test. Of course, you have to be more relaxed, you know, and all that. Of course, it has NFC as well, so you can do your payments using the watch. Waterproof. I don't know if I forget to say that. It has a waterproof. And there you go. Final score. Inconclusive, because I was moving around all that. So on and so on. Yeah. When you go to the applications here, you can change watch faces here from the application. And it has so many watch faces that you can install. So many watch faces that you can actually install and download to your watch. That's the cool thing about this watch, especially since it's actually connected to it's actually part of the, oh, look at this. Let me show you guys. It is disconnected. I have it disconnected. Oh yeah, I got the Bluetooth disconnected here, so it's not connected to the watch. There you go. It's connected now. So right now, if I change to the AR emoji, it'll try to change it. It just connected. I'll try to change it, and you should be able to see the changes over here as soon as I recognize it. There you go. There you go. Very awesome. So yeah, that's why I've been spending a lot of battery life on this watch because I've been playing a lot with the smart faces and everything that's available here, and it does burn battery. It does burn battery. Maybe you start playing around with this watch. How do you call this? The phone. And you have it. Look at that. Very awesome looking. Love it. So guys, thanks for watching this video. This was a hands-on look at the Galaxy Watch 5. Of course, I'll leave links in my descriptions for everything that you see here, just in case you're interested in getting that and helping my channel as well. Thanks for watching. Till next time. Bye-bye.